Hey everyone, welcome to Jake's Adventure Garage. I'm Jake, and today we're going to do another giveaway, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back. It is a chilly Friday. Today is the 21st of November, I believe. Let me check. Yes, it is the 21st. So today we're going to do the last giveaway of the year, and it is going to be a little different than the giveaways done before. We're going to try something new. I really enjoy doing the giveaways, and the channel doesn't generate near enough revenue to do a big giveaway. We get between $20 and $40 a month. So like I said, for this giveaway, we're going to try something a little different. But first, let's talk about what we're giving away. For this giveaway, we're going to give away a Vanquish Mullet kit. Depending on the participation in the giveaway, we might add a few extras to it. The main giveaway prize will be right here. It is the Vanquish Mullet kit. The next question is, how do you enter the giveaway? Well, to enter the giveaway, you need to be a subscriber to the channel. You need to like the video, and then you need to comment below hashtag JAG-NY-25. And again, that'll be up here. So it'll also be in the description, so you can copy, paste, and comment below. So that's one way to enter. The second way to enter is to be a Jake's Adventure Garage Club member or a JAG Club member. You'll be automatically entered to win, potentially twice. And then the third way to enter, I just updated my website, links in the description below. For every $5 that you spend on the website, whether that's merchandise, STLs, whatever, you get one entry. That is the third way that you enter. Now, let's talk about the drawings. So there's going to be two drawings. The first drawing is going to be based off of all of the comments from this video down below the video. And so that's going to be free. Anyone and everyone can comment. We're only going to take one comment and add it to the first drawing. You can't comment twice. We'll only be able to pick your name once for the first round. The second round is going to comprise of the Jake's Adventure Garage Club members. And so if you are a basic member, you get one entry. If you are a big baller, you get 25 entries. Now, you have to be a Jake's Adventure Garage Club member before this video is released in order to take advantage of that. So you cannot sign up for it today, which is November 21st or later, and it count. Now, you can sign up for the club membership, and you will have an advantage for the next giveaway in January or February, whenever that comes around. And then finally, for the website purchases, like I said, every $5 you spend on the website, you will get one entry added to the giveaway. And that will go into round 2. And then we will find a winner. So the next question you may have is, what are the dates for this giveaway? So the giveaway starts today, November 21st. As soon as this video drops, you can comment below and start to purchase things on the website for entries. And then on December 19th at 5 p.m. Central Time, I will cut off everything, and that is when we will do the giveaway. We'll start the live stream at 5 p.m., and I will have all of the entries from the comments, the club members, and all of the entries from the website purchases laid out and ready to do the drawing. As always, we will live stream the drawing so that way you can see that we are not cheating, and I'll provide the winner with an email if it is an entry drawing, depending on how everything works. So I'm going to go based off of order ID. So you'll know almost immediately based off of your order ID, but I will shoot the winner an email unless it is a YouTube winner. And if it's a YouTube winner, there will be an email address in the description below. You just reach out to us and we will go through the steps necessary in order to get you a prize. Now, I'm sure there will be questions. Is this only limited to the United States? The answer to that is no. There is other options. So you don't have to take the Mullet kit. You can actually take the cash in the form of an Amazon gift card of equal value to the Mullet kit. With that being said, I really appreciate all the support. If this is successful, we'll just keep making the giveaway prize bigger and bigger and bigger. And then I think the next giveaway, I'm going to do special merch based off of that giveaway for some event that happens at that time period. Kind of switch things up a little bit. So with that being said, we really appreciate all the support. This is one of the ways that I can give back to the community. Thanks for making it this far. Good luck. Huge shout out to the Jake's Adventure Garage Club members. And as always, I hope you have a great day.